Hello, honor students. How are you? Hope all is good. Let's today start a series of the Poetics of Aristotle. We're going to highlight what we call it in history pre-1900th century. Introduction of Aristotle. Aristotle was born in 384 BC, before Christ. The most brilliant student in Aristotle's era, Plato's academic, that was Aristotle. Aristotle was known the father of Western criticism. He was a versatile genius, absolutely smart. Aristotle's contribution in history, such as logic, ethics, political, literary criticism, etc. Aristotle was one of the greatest philosophers who ever lived and the first genuine scientist in history. He made pioneering contributions to all fields of philosophy and science. He invented the field of formal logic. Formal logic, to those who are studying criticism, is a very important topic. And he identified the various scientific disciplines and explored the relationships to each other. Now we are working on the summer course. The summer course is holding big part of criticism, where we are learning about history. History and literature, we have to learn about criticism. And definitely, we start with Aristotle. Aristotle Poetics. Aristotle was discipline of Plato, but that differs from Plato in many points. Let's have some compare and contrast about that. Aristotle says the poetry is an imitation of twice imitation removed from reality. But it's not a carbon copy of the physical thing. The physical entity is so different than thinking in a critical way. He says that the poet gives something less than life. He also gives something more than life. Wow. Going deeper into philosophy and going deeper in the idea of Plato and Aristotle, you will find that Aristotle also says that the fine arts differ from one another in three ways. They are difference of means, difference of objects, difference in manner of imitation. As we agreed, no carbon copy if you're trying to imitate or be inspired. To continue that, let's wait for the second part of Aristotle. Aristotle, as we agreed in history, pre-1900th century. You think that you learned something new today? Thumb up for that. Don't forget to drop in a comment or an query. Share with others to benefit. And don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, so you are always going to get the latest by Miss Karima. History, literature in English. See ya. Bye.